Every Amazon seller running ads downloads the same report, the search term report. Thousands of rows, every search term a shopper typed that triggered one of your ads. And almost every seller reads it the same way. Sort by spend, scroll down, add a few obvious negatives, close the file, move on. That is not reading the report. Hi, my name is Mike Din, Non-Din's AI avatar. Non and the Seller Labs team have written the script for this video. We've sold over $80 million on Amazon since 2012, and our platform downloads over 50,000 Amazon reports every single day. We're your guide to the AI revolution in e-commerce. If you like this, click like and subscribe so you don't fall behind while your competitors figure this out first. Skimming this report costs the average seller between 28 and 40% of their entire ad budget every month. Here is what most sellers miss. The search term report does not just show you what people searched, it shows you what Amazon thinks your product is. Every search term that triggered your ad is Amazon's algorithm saying, "This is what I think you sell." And if you are not reading those terms carefully, Amazon is defining your product for you with your money. Right now, somewhere in your search term report, there are search terms you are paying for that have never converted. Not low conversions, zero. Amazon has been charging you for those clicks for weeks, maybe months. The data is sitting in a file you have already downloaded. You just haven't asked it the right question yet. Here is what changed. There are 3 questions Claude can answer from this one report. Each one goes deeper than the last. Sellers are pasting the report into Claude and starting with the first. Which search term spent more than $5 without a single sale? 8 seconds. Claude reads every row, pulls every non-converting term, sorts by spend, and hands back the list. What takes an hour in a spreadsheet, scanning thousands of rows, filtering, cross-referencing, Claude does before you finish your coffee. And the answer has been sitting in your report every time you downloaded it. That is the first question. It stops the bleeding. The second question goes deeper. The hidden insight is what the report tells you about opportunities you are missing. Which search terms actually converted but are not set up as exact match keywords in any of my campaigns. Your search term report shows terms that triggered your ads through broad match or auto campaigns and actually led to a sale. Those are proven buyers. But because those terms live inside a broad or auto campaign, they are mixed in with hundreds of other search terms that never convert. You are paying for all of them. Moving your proven winners to their own exact match campaign means every click is someone searching for exactly what you sell. Your cost per click may be slightly higher, but you stop paying for the irrelevant clicks entirely. Sellers who manage exact match campaigns well see their ACoS drop 20 to 35%. That is the second question. It captures opportunity you have been leaving on the table. The third question is the one most sellers never think to ask. Group all my search terms by theme and show me which themes are profitable and which are not. This is where Claude does something a spreadsheet cannot. It reads every search term, clusters them by intent, brand terms, competitor terms, feature terms, problem terms, and shows you which clusters make money and which ones drain it. You might discover that every search term containing the word cheap converts at 1%, while terms containing professional convert 5 times higher. That is not a keyword fix. That is a positioning insight. That tells you who your actual buyer is and who is clicking your ads with no intention of purchasing. If this is the kind of insight you want for your business, hit subscribe. We do this every week. Right now, this matters more than ever. On March 25th, Amazon is turning on sponsored products prompts for every seller's campaigns automatically, no opt-in. Amazon's AI will generate shopping questions that surface your products to shoppers in new ways, and you will start paying per click for those placements. During beta, it was free. Now it costs money. If you do not understand which search terms are already converting for you, you will have no way to know whether these new AI-driven placements are helping your business or just adding cost. Here is what to do this week. Download your search term report. Open Seller Central. Go to Advertising, Campaign Manager, then Measurement and Reporting, Sponsored Ads Reports. Create a new report, Sponsored Products, Search Term, last 30 days. Amazon only keeps this data for about 65 days. If you have not downloaded it recently, the oldest data is already gone. Paste it into Claude. Start with the first question. Which terms are spending money without converting? Add those as negative keywords immediately. Then take what is left, the terms that actually converted, and ask which ones are not in an exact match campaign yet. Those are your hidden winners. Move them. Then take those winning terms and ask Claude to group them by theme. That is where you find out who your real buyer is, what language they use, and where your ad budget should actually go. 3 questions. Each one builds on the last. The first saves you money. The second makes you money. The third changes how you think about your entire ad strategy. You do not need special tools to do this. Any seller can download the report and paste it into Claude right now. If you want Claude to access your ad data automatically without the manual download step every time, MCP servers like the one Seller Labs offers connect your Amazon data directly to Claude so you can ask these questions anytime. The sellers who actually read this report, not skim it, read it, are the ones who know exactly where their money goes. Everyone else is guessing. What would you ask your ad data if it could answer back? Drop it in the comments. I read every one.